Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am MK Chapintar. Today giving you the knowledge about the one program of part B of CPL laboratory, that is develop a C program using pointers to compute the sum, mean and standard deviation of all elements stored in an array of real numbers, and we have to calculate variance also. This is helpful for VTU, CBCS, BE, first or second sem, CPL laboratory students. Now, first let us go through the program and then execution, and then we will go for tracing. First, I have double clicked on Dev C++ software and opened a file and named it as n and saved as n.c and typed this program and executed and got the respective result. Now let us go through the program first. First part is header file. This is the header file, include stdio.h, that is standard input output header file which stores input and output functions. This is include math.h, that is mathematical, all the operations are stored here. Then main part of the program begins with open brace and closes with closing brace. Okay, now first a declaration of constants and variables int n comma I. N means number of elements, values we are taking for calculating our answers. I indicates the index of these numbers. Then float, here for some mean, standard deviation and variance and array values we have taken data type as float, that is decimal points can be right here. Okay, sum is equal to 0, initial value of sum is 0, mean, then standard deviations initial value is 0, x value we want it for calculating variance, so its value also is equal to 0, initialized to 0, variance value initialized to 0, and array of 10 elements, up to 10 elements we can take here. We can make it increase also, decrease also. Then float star pointer of type float. Okay, then pointer is equal to array, that is array is converted to pointer here for calculation, because in question it is mentioned that using pointers. So then this is the printf statement which prints this line on the output screen, that is enter the number of elements you want to use lesser than or equal to 10, because array of 10 we have taken. Okay, then scanf function, then we entered the value number of elements it reads and uses for calculation, and then print this line, enter the elements on the output screen, this printf function. And starting from I is equal to 0, I is lesser than n, I plus plus, we have to enter the values here, because n values, for example we have taken 4, then 4 values are calculated with the index notation starting from 0, that is it becomes 3 here. Okay, starting from 0 it becomes 3, if we start from 1 it becomes 4, so we are starting from 0, its value is less than 4, condition true. Up to this condition satisfied, we have to increment I from 0 to 3. Okay, I is lesser than n, that is 3 is lesser than n, that is 4 we have taken for example. Okay, then enter the values, it reads the values, scanf function, and uses for calculation. Then sum is equal to sum plus pointer of I. Pointer of I is nothing but array. Okay, sum is equal to sum plus pointer of I, that is array. Then sum is calculated using this formula. Okay, mean is equal to sum divided by number of elements we have taken n, and for I is equal to 0, I is lesser than n, I plus plus, x is equal to, this is the variable we want to calculate the variance here. It is its value also initialized to 0. Then x is equal to x plus pointer of I minus mean star pointer of I minus mean. X is calculated using this formula, and then variance is equal to x divided by n. Then standard deviation is equal to square root of variance. Okay, then we print the sum, mean, variance and standard deviation on the output screen. Then return to 0. The program stops here. Now let us execute here. Compile and run. Enter the values within 10 here. As we have taken array size 10, let us enter 4. Then values 1.1, 2.2, 3.3 and 4.4. These are the respective values. Sum, this is mean, this is variance, and this is standard deviation. Okay. Now let us go for tracing. After header file in the program, we have to declare constant and variables we are taking here. First int ni, that is number of elements we are taking, number of values to calculate the sum, mean, standard deviation and variance. Okay, then float, this is a sum is initialized to 0. Initial value of sum is 0. We have to calculate it. Mean, standard deviations initialized to 0. X is initialized to 0. That is initial value of SD and X is 0. Initial value of variance is 0. Array of 10 numbers, 10 values we can take in this program. Then float pointer. Pointer is of float type. Then pointer is equal to array. This pointer is equal to array, that is array is converted to pointer form here. Now let us enter the number of elements we want to use less than or equal to 10, that is 4 we have taken. Then enter the elements here. I have taken 1.1, 2.2, 3.3, 4.4. Then sum is equal to 11. Adding these all four numbers, we get 7. Then mean is equal to sum divided by n. That is mean is equal to 11 divided by 4. N value we have taken 4 here. So this is the mean value, 2.75. Now for calculating variance, we have to calculate x variable here, which is initialized to 0. Then x is equal to x plus pointer of I minus mean star pointer of I minus mean. Okay, this is nothing but array here converted to pointer form. Then it becomes x, initial value is 0 plus new value of x is equal to initial value of 0 plus this pointer of I value becomes 5.2096 minus 2.75 mean value we have got here. Same thing here. Then x value becomes 6.05. Now variance is equal to x divided by 1, x divided by n, that is this value divided by 4, then we get this value 1.5125. Then SD is equal to square root of variance. We find square root of this value and this becomes 1.22984. Then print the value here. Sum, mean, standard, deviation and variance also. Variance value is this one. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you. See you once. This is the program.